So this makes my little heart beat a bit faster. Look at that. This is the NIO House in Chengdu. I would say let's go in. There's the ET9. Oh my god, I'm in heaven. And the new ES8 obviously. Oh, and here's a version from the ET5T. That thing is gorgeous, like really. Look at that. Looks badass, doesn't it? How cool is that? Hello. So yes, NIO House in Chengdu is just amazing. The ES8, the ES6. This is the third gen ES6, by the way, which is also updated with some new screens and some new interior, as you see. Gorgeous car, wonderful, beautiful. I just tried it. Comfy as always. For us, the only downside is it has the normal bench in the back. We really like those pilot chairs. So we want a 4 or 6 seater basically. Anyway, the ET9, of course, we don't have to talk about this one. This is just state of the art. I think this is Sophia's favorite as well. Look at her. Firefly is her favorite. Okay. Then here we have the EC6, which is also, oh, look at that. I mean, this is gorgeous. You have a nice back on it. Look at that. I mean, for those who want to have a, what are they called? This is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Hatchback, right? Is it hatchback they call it? Yeah, let's say hatchback. What a nice car. I wonder how big the trunk is on that. Should we have a look? We should. Definitely should have a look on that. Oh, wow. That is massive. Why didn't it open more than that? Okay, got it. So, need to program it. This is this mode for the garage or something. You can program how far it goes up. All right, this is a big trunk. Very nice. Some space underneath. All right, let me close it. Beautiful. Then we have the ET5. ET5 we have in Norway. We know this baby. But I tell you what, this is also a new version. It sure is. Haha. We're gonna try to have a look later. Because it's certainly, my god, this thing is pretty. Look at it. Oh, I really like those hatchbacks from NIO. They're really designed, huh? Wow. Okay, and then we have the ET7, the new one. All the way in the back. ET7. So what do we have here? Oh wow. It's also 5-seater. You see, this is the old version. This is not the new one. This is the old version. This is the version we had in Norway going as well. You see it easily with the one charging pad and the cup holder and the gear, and then of course the display. Right. This is the old version. Well, old and old. This is like 2 years or something, I guess. But anyway, beautiful shape, beautiful form, a nice lip in the back. Really like those. I have to say, with the ET5, they really did something beautiful there. That car looks amazing. You can sneak peek a bit. It's also the new design interior. This is taken by all the kids here. They're watching movies. Mine is also somewhere. No, she got out actually. ET9, ES6, ES8, and then of course the Firefly. Sophia's favorite. Let's see. Yes. Right, I'm gonna tour the NIO House. Okay, here we have it for the owners, of course. Meeting room, ni hao. You can get your coffee. Some bakeries. Just sit and hang out here. Here we go. Ni hao.
Menu. Yeah.
Ah, menus there. Okay. New points. You have it. It's just really a nice space. You can relax, drink something, eat something while you're car shopping. NIO. Cool. Nice. Yes, Chengdu Road. Yeah. So here, there's the.
Here.
Oh wow. Oh, this is nice.
Okay.
For kids. Then you take off your shoes naturally, slip into one of those, and then you go up and have the kids play. I don't know many car dealerships who do stuff like that, do you? It's beautiful. Wow.
Tissue here.
Toilet.
Restroom.
Restroom.
Yeah.
Meeting rooms.
Here.
Some library, you can get some books here. Read a bit. Some nice little spots where you can sit, hang out. Oh wow. Amazing.